Hello friends, welcome to our channel CBSE English, the Topper's Choice. In this video, we are going to discuss class 9th second lesson from the English reader Beehive, The Sound of Music. In this part 1, Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it. Here we go. At the beginning, we'll talk about the author of this lesson. Deborah Cowley is the author of this lesson. Deborah Cowley is a freelance writer and broadcaster. She grew up in Toronto, graduated from the University of Western Ontario, and moved to Ottawa to work for the Unitarian Service Committee. As she traveled the world with her diplomat husband, she worked as a reporter for CBC Radio in Washington, D.C., and on a posting to Cairo, she worked on several TV documentaries for CBC's Man Alive. Subsequent postings in London and Brussels gave her the chance to write articles for the British and international editions of Reader's Digest. Theme of this lesson: Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it is based on the theme that determination, sincere efforts, and able guidance are the ways to achieve success. Evelyn Glennie, a multi-percussionist, overcame the challenge posed by physical disability and became a source of inspiration for thousands of disabled persons. Introduction to this lesson. Deborah Cowley, in her biographical feature, Evelyn Glennie Listens to Sound Without Hearing It, writes about the achievements of the multi-percussionist Evelyn Glennie, who overcame her handicap of hearing impairment with great determination and confidence. The lesson describes how, under the able guidance of Ron Forbes, Evelyn Glennie found a way out of her problem by developing an ability to sense music through different parts of her body. Summary of this lesson. In the biographical feature, Evelyn Glennie Listens to Sound Without Hearing It, Deborah Cowley gives an account of multi-percussionist Evelyn Glennie, a Scottish musician who has been profoundly deaf since the age of 12. Instead of yielding to the handicap, Evelyn pursued her dream, developed her ability to hear through the rest of her body. She eventually made her way to the Royal Academy of Music in London. Evelyn Glennie, who can play more than 1,000 instruments to perfection, is now the most sought-after musician internationally. Evelyn's mother came to know about her daughter's deafness at the age of 8. The latter was to give her performance on the piano in school, but could not hear her name being called. For quite a while, Evelyn managed to conceal her growing deafness from friends and teachers. But by the time she was 11, her marks had deteriorated. When her deafness was confirmed at the age of 11, the headmistress of her school suggested that she should be sent to school for deaf children. But Evelyn was not the kind of girl who could be discouraged. Once, when she was dissuaded by the teachers from playing upon a xylophone, Ron Forbes, a great percussionist, came to her rescue. He saw great potential in her and guided her how to sense music through different parts of her body without listening through ears. This proved to be the turning point. She learned to open her body and mind to the sounds and vibrations. After that, she never looked back. She had mastered the art of interpreting different vibrations of sound on her body. Evelyn did not look back from that point onwards. She toured the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra, and by the time she was 16, she had decided to make music her life. She joined the prestigious Royal Academy of Music and scored the highest marks in the history of the Academy when she gave an audition for it. Afterwards, she moved from orchestra to solo performances. At the end of her 3-year course at the Academy, Evelyn had bagged most of the top awards. With her unfaltering determination, Evelyn became the world's most sought-after multi-percussionist with a mastery of some 1,000 instruments and hectic international schedule. Despite her lack of hearing, Evelyn not only speaks flawlessly, but has also managed to learn French and basic Japanese. According to Evelyn, she can feel music pouring in through every part of her body, her skin, her cheekbones, even her hair. She can feel the vibrations of instruments penetrate into her body through her bare feet. In 1991, she received the prestigious Soloist of the Year award presented by the Royal Philharmonic Society. A person with human attitude, Evelyn gives free concerts in prison and hospitals. With her efforts, she secured a significant place for percussion instruments in orchestra. Anne Richlin of the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children stated that Evelyn is a shining inspiration for deaf children. In fact, Evelyn Glennie is a great inspiration for all those who suffer from physical disabilities. She makes them believe that if she could do it, so can they. Now we'll discuss the character sketch of this lesson, that is Evelyn Glennie. Evelyn Glennie, the internationally renowned percussionist, comes across as an embodiment of unflinching determination, strong self-belief, dedication, and courage. Although challenged by a severe hearing impairment, she was able to follow a career in music and achieve extraordinary success in the field. Despite her deafness, Evelyn gives solo performances and has command over a large number of percussion instruments. Despite losing her hearing faculty at the very young age of 11, Evelyn did not give up. She faced the challenge bravely and with strong determination. Though the headmistress of her school advised her to join a school for the deaf, she decided to lead her life normally. Not only that, she was unshaken in her resolve to follow a career in music. She was encouraged in her resolve to study music by percussionist Ron Forbes. Under his guidance, Evelyn learned how to develop sensitivity to musical sounds through different parts of her body. She managed to sense musical notes through her skin, her hair, her fingers, and even her bare feet. Her hard work and self-confidence enabled Evelyn to get admission to the Royal Academy of Music in London, the most prestigious institution for music. Here, too, she worked hard to receive the highest awards in percussion music. Such is her contribution to the field that it has earned percussion instruments a special place in the orchestra. A compassionate and benevolent person, Evelyn performs in prisons and hospitals. She also gives high priority to classes for young musicians. Evelyn has, thus, revealed to the world that disabilities disappear before dedication and determination. Her achievements are a source of inspiration for those who suffer from handicaps. Now we'll discuss the main points of this lesson. Evelyn Glennie was a 17-year-old girl. She had decided to make music her life, but she was completely deaf. This aspiring musician feels the vibration of an approaching train, has been selected for training at the prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London. Glennie started losing her hearing power gradually from the age of 8 due to nerve damage. She was advised to be sent to school for the deaf, but Evelyn was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. Most of the people discouraged her, but percussionist Ron Forbes noticed her potential and motivated her to feel music in different parts of her body. Evelyn immediately realized higher drum from the waist up and lower drum from the waist down. During her 3 years course in Royal Academy of Music, Evelyn scored highest marks in the history of Academy. She got most of the top awards and started giving solo performances. According to her, if you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. It is fascinating to watch Evelyn working without much efforts. She speaks clearly as she could listen till the age of 11. During the conversation, she watches lip movement, face and especially eyes. She had learnt French and basic Japanese. While playing instruments, she remained barefoot on a wooden platform so that the vibrations pass through her bare feet and up her legs. She could feel music through every part of her body. She has been a workaholic and has been rewarded enormously. Besides regular concerts, she has given free concerts in prisons and hospitals. Teaching young musicians is her top priority. Her life is an inspiration for all differently abled people. So dear friends, if you have liked this video, please click on like, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.